Vanakkam friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Nifty forecast for the upcoming week. We have full week, no holidays. In the last week we had 2 holidays and expiry was preponed to one day. And after Wednesday, Thursday and Friday was strange move across the global markets, especially in Nasdaq. Everything cracked like anything. Hope all remember that on Wednesday I have posted a message saying that don't look at any global markets or don't look at SGX or anything because nothing is on our control. Instead of breaking our heads by looking into those kind of markets, we could have enjoyed the day with the holidays with our family and friends. I hope you people would have followed, but I am very sure that few members would have not followed it. But never mind, we'll see what we can expect in the upcoming week. Okay, so Monday's move will be majoritarily based on Infosys and HDFC Bank results. So Bank Nifty will rule HDFC Bank. Will be ruled by HDFC Bank, and Nifty will be ruled by Infosys and IT Pack, entire IT Pack. It's a horrible set of results by Infosys this time. 200 basis point cut in their profit margin is not at all accepted by for the standards of Infi. See, it may be happening for smaller companies like Mindtree, Tech Mahindra, LTTS, like these kind of companies, but not for the standards of Infi, TCS kind of companies. So we might have seen SGX on Friday, on Thursday. On Friday, on Friday, okay, it has closed at 17,300. 17,300 in the sense, here it is there, 17,300 in the sense, from current close of Nifty, it is almost 175 points. So we can expect a steep gap down opening on Monday. That is 100% sure. But after a gap down opening, what we can expect? That is $100 million question. We will try to do some research through the charts. For this, I have opened Nifty daily charts, added 4 different moving averages: 20, 50, 100 and 200. You all very well know this. Our black color line will be always 20 and then maroon color line will be always 200. This sky blue line is our 50 moving average and then this pink one is our 100 moving average. Nifty exactly hovering at 20 moving average. Most of us expected that it can take support there and climb, but because of poor results from Infi and crack in global markets, especially in Nasdaq, which is having major IT components in it, we could see a gap down opening for sure. And that gap down opening is suggesting that we will open somewhere near 17,300. Now look at the moving average, 100 moving average. What is the 100 moving average? 17,296. So the probable opening will be approximately over here. Okay, and it may take support at the particular level and then try to give a bounce back, but that bounce back may not sustain. Definitely that bounce back will get sold into. So don't rush and take position on Monday. Let Nifty to settle for maybe, allow Nifty to give some time for Nifty to settle, maybe at least till 10, and then after 10 you may take a trade. Before 10 a.m. don't take a trade on Nifty on Monday, because the first gap down will definitely get sold into, I mean will definitely get bought, and then it will definitely get sold into. So probably allow Nifty to settle till 10 a.m. and then you may take a trade. So this is what I am expecting. So it may open somewhere near this particular level, then climb a bit higher, and then come down again and try to threaten everyone whether it is breaking the initial low or not. If that particular low is broken, then we will easily test the 50 and 200 moving average, which is exactly around 17,165 to 155 odd zones. Okay, on the other hand, if it's not breaking and if it's climbing on the highest, if it's not breaking the initial low which is made, and if it's climbing higher again, definitely it will become a trend day on the upside. Trend day on the upside means don't think that it will go and close in 150 points green. That will not happen. On the other hand, it may move on and close little flat, like minus 50 points or plus 50 points, something like that, instead of closing 175 points down. That is what we can expect on Monday. On the higher end, this 17,650, 660 odd levels will become a strong resistance to break now. Until we are not closing above this 17,660 levels, we can't dream about any new all-time high sooner or later. Okay, so until this particular level, maybe it will be a sell on rally kind of markets instead of buy on dips kind of market. So all raises till 17,660 will get sold into. Okay, so this is how we are expecting markets to perform during next week. So based on this, I will suggest you one call option. You may think that why this fellow is saying any up move towards this level will get sold into, but this fellow is saying to buy a call option. Many of you very well know about me that I maximum try to play markets on the higher side only, as I very well can predict where markets can do a bottom. Okay, so I will suggest you one particular call, 17,500 call of monthly expiry, not weekly expiry. Don't go for weekly expiry, because this is a result based, result month, quarterly results. Many Nifty 50 companies will come with results in between this period from 18th to 30th of this month. So there are probabilities, if some companies surprise with results on the higher side, Nifty could move again higher. Like always, I used to say, markets are expected to do the unexpected things from us. This is what my statement will be for all of you many times. Okay, now everybody will think markets will move down if it breaks this particular level, but I can say you confidently, market will take support at this level and definitely climb, because that is how market functions. It will not do whatever people think it will do 90% exactly the opposite. Just for saying this for an example, when we are at 18,114 couple of days back, maybe 1 week, 1 or 2 weeks back, yeah, 2 weeks back, right? You might have been seeing everywhere all Telegram channels and WhatsApp groups and social medias, even TV channels are saying about we are just about 500 points of reaching the new all-time high. So it will come very soon. This is what the statement was. On that fine day, I have made a message clear cut saying that she will have other plans. Nifty will have other plans. That is what exactly happened. When everybody thought that markets will move up and do a all-time high, he started cracking. Now, when it comes towards this place, everybody will say that he will crack down further and go down to 16,500 or 16,000. At that time, he will start moving on the higher side. This is what will happen. So that is the reason I am trying to give you a call option. But where to buy a call option? Last close is 231.40. Okay, this is not this is the adjusted price, so this is the last close. Okay, last close is 231.40. So because of premium decay, time decay due to 4 holidays, even if we open flat on Monday, this will open somewhere around 200 to 210. Okay, but we are expecting a gap down opening. Since we expect a gap down opening, we may get this at or around 140 to 150 rupees. We may get this around 140 to 150 rupees. So if you get between 140 to 150 rupees, just take it and hold it. There are chances that, as I said earlier, the first dip will get bought into immediately and then there will be a second dip. Either you can buy at the first dip or you can buy at the second dip. Okay. And then hold your position. Initially, it will not move rapid fast because, as I said earlier, if it breaks the initial low, there are possibilities that it will come and test this particular level. So since it is a monthly expiry, if you buy at 140 or 150 rupees, somewhere around that, maybe even 160, and then assume that this level is broken again, the initial low is broken again, and the Nifty comes to 17,165, maybe exactly somewhere near the 200 moving average. At that time, be in a position to add one more lot to your 17,500. Okay, this might be the first time I am suggesting you to buy 2 lots. Okay, I have never suggested anybody to buy 2 lots. Okay, so I am having 100% conviction that Nifty will take support around this 200 moving average and definitely climb on the higher side. 100% I am having a conviction that it will climb on the higher side. So be in a position to take 2 lots, one somewhere around 140 to 150, maybe even 160, and then the second one, if at all Nifty comes towards 17,150 levels. If this happens, you take a trade. The stop loss for this particular trade will be if Nifty closes below 200 moving average for 2 continuous days, you are supposed to exit. 2 continuous days. Remember, not 1 day, 2 continuous days. You are supposed to exit, or else keep holding your position. Worst case scenario, you will see Nifty coming and retesting this high of 17,660. So now, just do an approximate calculation. 140 rupees, 150 rupees is what I said. So 150 rupees if you have bought one position, and then if it comes to this 200 EMA test, I am suggesting to add one more lot to your position. So if this level comes, that 140 would have become 80, 80 or 90, something like that. So just assume that you are taking it at 90 again. So 90 plus 150, it will be 240. If you divide it by 2, it will be 120. That will be your buying price. Even if Nifty shows 17,660 on expiry day, monthly expiry day, your position will be in profit. 40 points profit. If you for 2 lots, it will be 80 points profit. But if Nifty comes to 17,660 2 days or 3 days before expiry, then your position will be easily 180 or 200, something like that. At that time, you can consider exit. So remember, I have clearly given you my analysis and instructions on how and where to enter the positions. Okay, you are supposed to take 2 lots. You should be in a position to take 2 lots, and then that 2 lots should be at different stages, and I have given you the stop loss and I have given you the target as well. Okay, so play this as per the levels given. Don't ever violate the levels. Okay, so last but not least, new members who are seeing this video for the first time, I request everyone to subscribe to our channel and click on the notifications button, so that you will get alerts whenever we post any video in our channel. It will be helpful for you, and I will add all the Telegram channel links to the description of this video. You can also join our Telegram channels. And last week officially we have started YouTube live. So from 13th April, initially I have planned to have live sessions between 9:15 a.m. till 12 noon. Try to participate in our live sessions wherein you can ask your queries about your positions. We will discuss through charts. At one point in time, you may also learn the reading of charts. I want your support to spread our link to your friends and family members, whoever is interested in markets. I hope you people will honor my request. Thank you all. See you in the next video of Bank Nifty. Bye for now.